Hey guys, this is how to fix Wizz app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search at the bottom, and at the top go for the search bar and search for the application. And now after that, just simply tap on it. And now from here guys, when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here, and you should be able to fix the issue. And another thing is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update to avoid issues. Now, the second solution is just simply go to the settings into your device and scroll down and go ahead and go for the apps. And after that, just simply go ahead and try to find the Wizz application over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and select it. And from here, just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache, and from there you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix the issue. And now the last solution that you have is just simply go to your home page and select the application and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK, and just simply reinstall it back again into your device by going to the Google Play Store and install it back again. Now from there you should be able to fix it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And guys, remember, if you have any problems, just simply comment down below and I will answer them. See ya.